Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Hyundai Tucson screen. First, find the small reset button, usually near the display. Use a thin object, like a pen tip or a straightened paperclip, to gently press and hold the button for a few seconds. Your screen should then restart, which often resolves minor software glitches and responsiveness issues, getting you back on track quickly. If a physical reset button isn't available or doesn't work, try a soft reset. Simply turn off your Hyundai Tucson's ignition completely. Ensure all power to the infotainment system is off. Wait for about 30 seconds, then restart your vehicle. This process allows the system to power cycle, often clearing temporary software bugs that might be causing screen problems. For more stubborn issues, a hard reset might be necessary. This involves disconnecting your car's battery. Locate your battery and carefully disconnect the negative terminal. Leave it disconnected for at least 15 minutes. This ensures a complete power drain and system reset. After the wait, securely reconnect the negative terminal. Your screen should now function correctly. If you've tried these reset methods and your Hyundai Tucson screen still isn't working correctly, it's best to seek professional help. Persistent display issues could indicate a more serious hardware problem or a deeper software malfunction. Your local Hyundai dealership has specialized diagnostic tools and trained technicians who can accurately identify and fix complex faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.